minutes and you're sober. I was driving all the way frantically.
Back in the shop at the moment, we are going to be taking care of Blue Peeli as I would say our first official project in the shop today. So let's walk over, go over it. As you all know, the Miata market is hot as fuck. Everyone wants an NA. Everyone wants an NA right now. And it's not even a joke on the prices. Like, people could laugh, make laugh emojis, angry emojis, all they want, but that's what they're selling it for. So anyways, we got ourselves a, what year is this now? 91. All right, so we got ourselves like a real first gen Miata here, but this is part of the good 91s. You'll see, you probably actually won't see. We need a light. Let's get a light. We have light. All right, so this is a long nose crank 91. So this is a 91.5, which is the first year of where the 1.6 has really started to get better. So it's in a little bit of rough shape in terms of like paint, but otherwise she's solid, not rusty. Definitely a good fixer-upper. Really, honestly, the paint is what makes her really look the worst, but after a good bit of TLC, she'll be a fantastic car to work on. So it's a straight Miata, which is awesome, and Mariner Blue is very desirable, so it just needs some paint TLC for sure, a little bit of paint correction. The water pump timing belt on this thing has not been done yet. As you see, it's very, very, very stock and just been driven and not serviced enough. So now it's getting a huge overhaul TLC day job, and then she'll be running like new after I'm done with her. Interior's not too bad either. She's at 100 and what, 18? Yeah, it's a great mileage to sell right now too. All right, so let's get cracking on saving this Miata and putting her back on the road. It's been a long ass day. So this is officially the first project finished in the new shop. We have the blue, we call it blue Peeli. It's got peeled paint, but it got a timing belt water pump job and a tune-up, and completely redid the engine bay, like buffed all the corrosion out of there too, and you know, painted the pulleys, like cleaned up all the like the grime and crud and whatnot in there, and she runs fucking mint. Absolutely, like completely like different car. It's so happy to be serviced. So she's all buttoned back up, all ready to go on the mechanical part, which is awesome. And yeah, next thing we gotta do on it is just clean up a couple things on her, and she's an easy, like fantastic car to sell. So it feels good to get another car on the road, and first official project done in the new shop. So it is late as shit. I got here late. So it's 4 in the morning right now. So I'm heading home. Peace, guys.